Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to give you design that classic retro comic book feel. We are going to create a half-tone effect in Affinity by Canva and it only takes a minute. So first you will need to make a Canva, choose any size you want and so on. After that, drop your image onto the Canva, then click on the pixel options at the top. So here in this pixel persona. Next, go up to the filters. So filter and choose colors. Okay, so now we go to the filters right here at the top. At the very top, you choose pixel filters, then colors, like so, and all the way down is half tone. Now the half tone opens up. Set the dots to round. So here we will do it round and switch the screen mode to the monochrome. You should instantly see that the halftone texture appear. From here, just play around with the cell size. So we can do it like so, something like that, for example. So you can also play with this thing a little bit, and when you find it uh, as you like, just play a little bit, and when you find the correct settings you are looking for, click apply, and that's it. If your image now has a clean, stylish half-tone comic style look, you accomplish that mission. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.